Hey guys, RK here. Today we're feeding the seagulls again. Oh, dropped it. So yeah, they finally been out more now. Here you go. That one's blowing it back. The way they fight over them sometimes, though. Hey. Here, come back. Here. Here. Here, all for you two. Oh, now they're on Dad's side more.
I don't want to be in the video.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm just looking at the birds. Oh, there you are back. Hey guys, let's just see. I pretend throw it. They kind of look for a second, thinking it's coming. Okay, there. And the way they fight over them, they pet. It's like with their pecking at it all at once, they help break it up. Then
this is what I mean, though.
Not choke.
Get some more substantial food.
That one tried to get away. The cracker. Let's see if I can get one in the grass. Oh.
Yeah, I thought, well, earlier, I felt like, I feel like going to McDonald's.
Oh, there's a big white.
So I was like, no, she gave me a riot act about McDonald's and here, so what am I going to do? I'm hungry right now.
Oh, man. They're like, I'd say these are probably one of the biggest throated animals of the smaller ones. Like, just, yeah, me, I'd have to, it's like them, they don't even feel the pain of it going down, really. Hey, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
They're kind of tidy in a way, 'cause they clean up the crumbs.
Yeah.
Good babies.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, just seen some kind of challenger, maybe a hellcat or, yeah. Or, yeah, challenger.
Oh.
Ninja star neck. Yeah, really, it does almost kind of look like a bit of a ninja star. I'll try to show you guys. That one right there, you see that little bit? Yeah, right there on that other side. It's like kind of a lump there. Yeah.